Welcome to the second video of the six-part series in the United Organization of Healthcare Professionals Public Education Initiative. In this video, we will be covering the stretch reflex. The stretch reflex is the simplest building block of muscle control. We will keep this really simple. Understanding this concept will help everything make more sense and help you feel more confident during exercise. Let's begin. To start, let's look inside a muscle. Inside each muscle, there are tiny sensors that constantly monitor how much the muscle is stretched. These stretch sensors have a name. They are called muscle spindles. Here is a closer look at what a muscle spindle looks like inside a muscle. When a muscle is stretched, these stretch sensors, muscle spindles, send an electrical signal to the spinal cord through sensory neurons. Okay, let's slow down. What is a neuron? A neuron is just an electrical cell in the body. It is part of the nervous system. When two neurons connect, the electrical signal can travel from one neuron to the next. So when neurons are connected, they carry electrical signals from point A to point B. Remember, electricity is how the brain communicates with the muscles. If that's too complicated, just imagine that these are like electrical wires in your house. They are called sensory neurons because the electrical signal from these neurons communicate how much the muscle is stretched. The sensory neuron travels to the spinal cord. At the spinal cord, the sensory neuron connects to an alpha motor neuron, which sends the electrical signal back to the muscle, telling it to contract. But what exactly are alpha motor neurons? Alpha motor neurons are just neurons that carry electrical signals away from the spinal cord to the muscle, telling them to contract. You might have seen this during a doctor's knee tap test. Your leg kicks up without you thinking about it. That's your stretch reflex working. The stretch reflex helps your body react to sudden movements and stay steady. And although it's helpful, it plays an important role in why spasticity occurs. That is all for the second video. Here are some key takeaways. In the next video, we will be covering muscle tone and how that builds on the stretch reflex. Thank you for watching.